Hello children, I am Vishal madam. Today we are going to learn lesson number 31, writing skills. So that is the skill that we are going to learn, how to write a paragraph on a particular topic. Let us look into the book. The example is already given. Writing skills, lesson number 31. You will write the date over here, today's date. AX says, here are some sentences that Geetu wrote about herself. So this is the girl Geetu. She has written these few sentences about herself. Let us read them. My name is Geetu Chopra. I am 8 years old. I have one brother. He is 10 years old. I am in class 3. I study in Manavsthali School, Rajendra Nagar. Instead of read, you are going to write study. I go to school by bus. I go to the school at 7 a.m. and come back at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I love my parents and teachers. I am very fond of games and cartoon movies. So these are few lines that the girl has written about herself. Geetu has written about herself. Now we will proceed with writing a paragraph. So whenever we want to write a paragraph on any of the topics, here we are going to write about my best friend. First, we'll need to collect information, gather the things that we are supposed to write, form sentences on which. Okay. Okay, now let us understand how to write a paragraph in this lesson. Now we have already learned about myself, that we have looked into the example that is given in the textbook. Now we will start with something that we have to do it on our own. We will write about my best friend. So your best friend can be either a girl or a boy. Yes, it is not gender based, that boys will have only boys best friend and girls will have only girls best friend. It can be either. So we have to collect the information. So when you would write the paragraph about my best friend, first you would write the name of your best friend. The name of my best friend is whatever, right? Then what is his or her age. All this information you are going to collect, and then only we will be able to write the paragraph. Whether he study in the same class or not, so which class he or she is. Okay, whether he is in the same class, whether he or she belongs to your school, because you may have a best friend who is your neighbor, right? Then yes. What else? Whether he or she is taller or shorter to you. Okay. Taller or shorter. Because when we are friends, we always see our heights, right? Like who has grown taller, because this is your growing age, right? And the other is, you can talk about their physical appearance with the tall and the short, about their hair color. Some may have brown hair, some may have black hair. Right? Then what does she prefer? What does he prefer to wear? Whether he likes to wear shorts or he's always in jeans. Okay, their attire, their appearance that you're going to talk about. Attire is how you look, how you dress up. Okay. And how? Then the next is, what is your best friend's hobby? What does he or she like to do in their spare time? So that is another thing. Then whether he or she is also engaged in some sports or not. Whether he or she plays a specific sports every day or not. Okay. Apart from games that we play, right? I am talking about sports. Then comes the interesting thing, how do you and your best friend spend your time, right? What are the things that you do together? You may be having a food together during the lunch break, you may be playing in the evening together, you may be sharing secrets. So that are the things that we do together, I and my best friend. Things we do together. collect the information about your best friend. Once you're ready with the information, you will make proper sentences and you will write it in a paragraph. Okay? So now, based on the information that we have collected, let us write the paragraph on my best friend. So writing a paragraph on my best friend, will begin with the name of my best friend. Let us read it. My best friend is Krishna. So you can write the best name of your best friend. Okay, I am writing Krishna because Krishna is my best friend. Then he or she, whatever it is that you will decide on who is your best friend, you will write it, any one you are going to write. Okay, here also you are going to fill the name of your best friend. If it is a girl, you will write she. If it is a boy, you will write he. Is in class 3. If he or she is in class 3, then you will write 3. If he or she is in class 4, then you will write 4. So whatever I have underlined, that you can change. We study in the same school. If you don't study in the same school, you will not write this. He or she is taller or shorter than me. If your friend is taller, then you will write taller. If he is shorter, she is shorter, you will write shorter. He or she has blue or brown. This is also optional, whatever is the correct answer that you are going to write. So this also underlined. Blue eyes and curly or straight hairs. Again, curly and straight are the options that you will fill, which is correct for your friend. He or she prefers to wear jeans or shorts or frock. Means what is his or her preference? What does he like the most? What does she likes the most? His or her, anyone you are going to fill. Hobby is reading or gardening or anything else. If he or she likes doing something else, then you are going to write that. We have great time together during school recess. We enjoy playing games like Kho-Kho, run and catch, etc. with our classmates. This is a paragraph, so this is composition portion. So this page you will not write, you will always write on the right side page. What was that? At times he or she helps me in my studies too. So we are good friends, so he also helps me in my studies. As we grow up, when we are grown up, he or she wants to become a doctor or an engineer or a teacher or whatever. And I want to become a soldier. This is also your choice, you're going to write. Right? I love my friend very much. You will conclude the paragraph. Okay. So this is how we have written out of the activity of brainstorming that we did, collecting the information on my best friend. This is paragraph, so you're not going to put the numbers 1, 2, 3. You're going to write it in the form of paragraph. Okay children, I hope you have enjoyed the activity. Thank you children.